Alright y'all, so today what I want to do is I want to make some rosemary essential oil. I'm super excited because this is the second time that I'm going to be using my distillation kit. And this is my second time? Yes, my second time. And the first time, I know y'all probably like, what's that scar? So I got this scar. Let me show you. See this? I got this scar a while ago using my distillation kit, and it tells you to stay away from the steam, but I'm like, I didn't listen, or I wasn't paying attention, and the steam caught me. I mean, it caught me good. Look how big that scar is. Look how big that thing is. I'll tell you what, I won't do it again. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, your girl, Annoying as DiDi. So, y'all can't see me. So, I have to clean up the kitchen. It's not a lot to clean. I just gotta put away the dishes and sweep and mop the floor. And then I'm gonna bring my distillation kit out. And we have to go harvest some rosemary from out of the garden. So come on, let's get into it. Alright y'all, so after about 2 or 3 hours of trying to get the condenser, the water in the freaking condenser, let me show you. Alright, so I had to get the water all the way up here to come through here. So this is all the like heated water that is coming down in this tube, and then there's another tube down here that is bringing all the cool water up, right? So what happens is the oil, let me show you. So we are going to put the rosemary in here, And then this is going to steam the rosemary. It's going to go up here, steam the rosemary, and then the steam from the rosemary is going to go up here. It's going to go up here, down here, and then down these little loopy-loop tubes right here. And then what happens is the oil starts to separate from the water content of the rosemary, and then it gets all the way down here, right? And it drips out. So what you do is, I don't even know what this is for, to be honest. I don't know, but we're gonna figure it out. But the oil comes all the way down here, and then the oil is gonna, since it's heavier, the oil is gonna come down here. Is it heavier or lighter? Whichever one it is, the oil is gonna come down here. Well, it should be up here because it's lighter. That's right, it's lighter. And then the water should be here. And then you're gonna twist this, let the water out, discard the water, and then collect the oil from the bottom. Right here. Oh, my bad. Y'all, this is a mission, but guess what? I know how to do it now. So next time when I'm ready to get some essential oils again, I know what to do. But now, let's go get our rosemary. All right, y'all. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Has anybody ever used rosemary in their bouquet? Walking down the aisle? This would be so cute. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so now we gotta put this bad boy inside of here. So now we gotta take this apart again. And then put this in here. This looks like it's about a pound. This looks like it's a little bit more than a pound of rosemary. So let's get it together. Let's put it together. Let's put it together. Put it together. Boom, 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 boom. Wait, let me see. Take this down. Okay. Now, my rosemary is organic. She doesn't have any pesticides or anything like that. And the reason why her leaves are yellow is because I have over watered her. So she smells so good, y'all. I'm super excited. Ooh, so if this goes well, this will be my first time getting some essential oils. I just don't know how long this is going to take. I hope it doesn't take as long as I think it is. Well, as long as I can get it done by the time I need to edit this video and put it out. Let's see. Oh shoot, I need some more water. So what I'm probably going to do, since this is like getting really full, once it starts to like cool down, cook down, you know, like how spinach is, when you cook it, it gets really small and stuff. I'm expecting rosemary to do the same thing. So, and then I'll just add more water. All right. All right, it's that time. I'm scared. All right, y'all, so we're gonna turn her on. Oh, I'm so scared. We're gonna put it on 3. We're gonna put the temperature on 3. See what this do, and we're gonna be right back. Yeah. God dog it. This is using so much water. This is using so much water. And I think I put a leak in the sink. God dog it. Man, this stuff is scary, bro. This stuff is so scary. So I got me a bucket so I can recycle water and not have to keep using freaking water. So there's my water line that's going into my bucket for the hot water. And then I got my cold line. I got my cold line going in that pot right there. And that water is going fast, bro. It's going fast. So what's happening is that I need a system, right? I got water going in, I got water coming out. I got cold water going in, I got hot water going out. So when I get, so this right now is like a quarter of the way. So I'm gonna take this water out of the bucket and then I'm gonna let it cool down and I'm gonna use that water to replace the water, the cold water. Because the cold water is gone. You know, I thought I was gonna be able to like set this up, you know, put it together, and I'm gonna sit, maybe cook something and watch a movie. But no, I have to refill the cold water bucket like every 5 minutes. So I'm gonna be in here for quite a while. Yeah. I may be able to sit down, but it's definitely gonna be right here next to the bucket. Yeah. Yeah. It's officially, I guess I'm not supposed to be doing this right now. I don't know what's going on. But look at this. It broke. Look at this. My condenser broke. As soon as I start getting in the rhythm of everything. I'm so excited. Y'all know how long I've been doing this for? It's 2 o'clock right now. I've been doing this since like 8:30. And it did not go my way. But now I know what to expect. I'm going to start looking up some of the condensers that I can get to replace that one. Ugh. I can't believe that happened, bro. I don't even know how that happened. What you do for fitness, man? What's your fitness? I don't want to take it. I don't want to. So first it was the pump, right? What are these tube things? So the tube did not fit onto the pump. The pump little hole thing was too small, right? So I thought, let me try some glue. Boom, I tried nail glue, I tried nail polish, I tried Mod Podge, none of those worked. And I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and try some, what is it called? Hot glue. The hot glue worked because I was able to glue the tube to the hole, and then actually if it had, you know, little holes on the outside of the, between the connection of the pump and the tube, I can just go around it with some hot glue. So boom, I figured it out. I did it. But then, so I guess I'm gonna beat your ass. Like, I'm gonna beat your ass. I guess the pump, it starts to regulate itself. So when it started to regulate itself, it didn't pump all the way to the piece where the water exit out. So I decided to fill that part with water, and then things started, you know, it started going. But I don't know what just happened. The freaking piece broke. This is the second piece that has broken. My little thermometer thing broke. That was made of glass. And then that piece just broke just now. So I'm very disappointed. I'm so disappointed right now. But I gotta say, I was tired of dumping. I was so tired of dumping that water back into that doggone pot, man. But now I know. Now I know. Now I know what to expect. Now I know. So when I do get the piece to fix, when I do get the piece to replace that piece, then we can get it popping. I can't believe this just happened, bro. I thought I had this in the bag, bro. And now what I'm gonna do with all this doggone rosemary? And I still gotta get the rosemary out of the, what is that, flask? Is that what that's called? But y'all, I can't believe this just happened. And now I gotta find something to do with this rosemary. All right, so send me your best rosemary recipes, okay? I know it's really good on chicken. I know it's good on steak. But this is a lot, so I guess I can just maybe dry it, but I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I'm so frustrated right now. I should have stopped. I should have stopped. Something told me to stop, but I didn't listen because I thought I had it in the bag and I didn't. But lesson learned. Now I know. So you gotta listen to that little voice in your head that tells you not to do something and to do something, okay? Because now look where I'm at. Now I gotta pay money to get the freaking condenser fixed. Well, to replace it. Y'all, this is a complete fail again, because now my sink is acting up. So I don't even know why, because it's running off cold water, so that doesn't make any sense. But I'm finna end this right here until I figure out, like, that's why everybody else is using freaking buckets and stuff in these videos. Now I see why, because this is getting out of hand and it's causing too much stress right now. So I'm about to get up out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoying DiDi. Hopefully I get something up out of here, but we'll see. And until next time, baby, until next time, peace, love, and shake butter, baby.